Alright, all goods na. Ito na yung project namin, yan o, TMX. So, ayan, kinapit ko na yung CDI, wiring, spool wave. Yan, 5 pins na regulator. Apido na ignition coil, so may kuryente na siya. So, langis na lang. So, karga natin nito yung Shell Advance. Yan, para kondisyon. Goods, panda rin na lang. Kabit ng botso, tapos panda rin.
Tapos Carlo, andar na yung motor mo. Okay, alright.
Pisilin mo.
Naman yan.
Whoop! Napakalakas kuryente, apido. Oko, park. Yan na. 63 mm. Okay, alright, all goods. One click. All goods na, lakas ng kuryente oh. Grabe. Okay na yan. All goods, all goods, all goods. All goods. Alright. Project bike, TMX 155. Oko, Park. 63 mm block. Port and flat piston. Alright. Racing cam 7.5.
I should fuck her in the Benz.